How to switch 3 devices when you're using our mechanical keyboard. Follow along with me. Firstly, you need to turn on the power on the keyboard. Note, not available in wired mode. Next, you need to use Fn, Z, X and C4 keys. Switch the first device, Fn and Z. Press and hold the Z key for 3 seconds. The red and blue lights flash alternately. And then press Fn and X to link the second device in the same way. Similarly, Fn and C connect the third device. Finally, you can switch devices freely. Have you learned that?